Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've decided to do a completely different video from what I've done before, and it will be a haul kind of video with some swatches. So recently I've decided to buy some ColourPop cream eyeshadows, and the reason— oh my god, sorry guys for this lipstick on my teeth, I will remove it in a sec. I did it is because I was into ColourPop eyeshadows long time ago, and then I completely forgot about them and I stopped using them, and probably a year passed and I found them again and I thought they dried already, but it never happened. So a couple of shades dried, but most of them were like new, and I started to use them again, especially because I was into pigments application, and cream eyeshadows are great base for pigments. It makes the payoff of the pigments so much brighter and more vivid, and it's just amazing. So I decided to buy a couple more shades, and they came in this little package. Yes, safe and sound. The delivery was pretty fast and everything. In this package I got a couple of cream eyeshadows, and also I got the highlighter. I will do the swatches a bit later. So these cream eyeshadows are really good, and ColourPop went on the market by producing them, and they were the only product that they had. And they are called Super Shock eyeshadows, and they are amazing. They have a huge variety of colors, from matte ones to shimmery and to glittery. The colors are amazing. You will never find anything like this in the market. So, and they're just $5, which is great, right? So that's why I decided to go with them. And actually there are so many benefits of using cream eyeshadows. For example, you can use them as a base for the eyeshadows or for the pigments, and they stick much better. Again, the color payoff is much better than it would be without the base. If you are new to eyeshadow application, these cream eyeshadows may be really good for you, because you can apply them with your finger, you can apply them with synthetic brush. This is how they are supposed to be applied, and which is great, they don't have the fallouts. So if you are new to makeup and you are afraid of using dark colors or shimmery shades on you because of the fallout, so these eyeshadows will be great to start your makeup experience. Also, these creamy eyeshadows are great for using as an eyeliner. You can just take the brush like this, or any brush that you like to use for the eyeliner, and just tap it into the jar and apply it as an eyeliner, and it will be great. You can have a great variety of colors of your eyeliner. These cream eyeshadow colors are so great and so beautiful by their own that you can use them all alone without even putting anything on top of them, and also they do not crease at all. They blend like a dream. They are so pigmented, you can layer them on each other and they will look just great. And lip pencil and lipsticks, and they are in the color Lumiere, because I ran out of it. So I used it before and most of my clients like this shade, so I decided to buy one more. Lippie Stix are amazing. The color payoff is beautiful and it stays for a long time on your lips. So this is the shade. I will give you some swatches a bit later. So yeah, this is the most popular shade among my brides, and I chose the lip pencil to match it and to kind of make this lipstick stay longer. And also this look was done by using the cream eyeshadows by ColourPop, and I will upload the video how I did this a little bit later. And if you want to know how I created this look, you can subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification, and you will be up to date. So let's stop rambling and just get into swatches. So you definitely have to go and buy a couple of them to see how they work. And as far as I know, they are sold also at Sephora right now, but only online. So you can order it, and I am sure you will fall in love with them and you will want to buy even more. So this is a great product, like really, this is just amazing product. Thank you guys so much for watching my first haul video. I hope that I will do more of them soon, and if you liked it, please subscribe and please give me a thumbs up. See you all guys soon. Bye bye.